And I want to show you a couple of useful methods for breaking down your CAPRA chair system. Go ahead and get everything off the frame and broken down, including the carry bag. Once you have everything off of the frame, I'm going to show you how to break down the seat back stiffener and the proper sequence to fully collapse the frame. When you break down your frame, always start with this segment first. Then the arms, so everything above the legs gets collapsed next. If you don't have big hands like me, you can always hold it against your body. Like this. It is a lot easier to collapse both legs on the same side first, and then the next set of legs second for the CAPRA. On the SEAGOAT, it's alternating. So for the CAPRA, break down the legs of the same side, and there we have it. We can then put the frame into the thermal insert and then slide the seat in with it. And once it's all together, go ahead and slide it in your bag. There is another way to pack this. If you didn't have the thermal insert, you could then also just pack each thing individually into the bag. Or you can wrap your frame in the seat put it in the bag. Or you could actually, if you like to wrap your seat around your frame, you can also put that around the thermal insert and put it in the bag.